Ay, meron na namang ano. Oo, ikot muna tayo. Hindi pa naman lahat bukas. Ay, ang ganda. Ay. Ay, ang ganda.
Tignan mo, walang quiet. Tayo lang daw. We're in Spain.
Sa bayan lang to eh.
Gusto niya umakyat? Ito na kasi yan. Ito na. Kasi nang pahinga muna tayo. Baba mo na natin. Yung ron. Di ba may kaya?
Favorite mo to, Tesay? Ay.
Este verano, hasta el 9 de septiembre, llévate el aceite Cogosur Virgen Extra o Blanca o Avequina de 1 litro con la segunda unidad al 70%. La segunda unidad te sale
Ay, Coca.
5 euros.
Ay, may design talaga yung ano nila na Star Wars. We just arrived in the B&B and it's really nice. This is the kitchen. And then the first room. And then the second room. And the bathroom. It's really nice. Ang ganda ng view, ah. Oh my. And the beach is just there, like, really close. Time check, 2:05 p.m. and look. Oh, we're such a girl. Our dress code for today is white. So we're all wearing white. And yeah, we're gonna go to the city or we're just gonna walk around and we'll see. So after 45 minutes of preparation, here's our look.
Ba't ka na
Sige, kayo muna.
Bini-bini, agham.
Oh!
Uy! Miss Araling Panglipunan, 2022.
No, I miss Filipino.
Ay, pagandahan ko naman ko sa kala ko ano, dog show.
And the last one, from Heidi's Angels.
Ay! Carnival. Ay, gumagay na yung gumagay.
We're going to tunnel to Puerto Chico. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but so this is like tram path before, and then they renovated it. Oh, it's so calm. Meron ba? Ayan siya.
Ito na siya.
Oo, mahaba.
Diretso na sa, ano.
los saltos de agua, porque yo me beneficié mucho. Cuando empezaron a meter en la caja.
Parang may lesson din siya na.
So, first night, and
Wait
it
lang
was
yung mga
really... Wait, ano pangalan? El Machi. It was really nice. And, Sol, we're gonna go not by walk, but by car. Grabe, puro paakyat talaga yung nilakad natin kanina. So, time check 10:29 p.m. and like that's the highlight. This is the best way to end the girls' first day, like all on our phones. And yeah, the first day in Santander is really nice. Like it's really nice. I like really nice. We ate a lot. We ate a lot. We walked a lot uphill, and yeah, the place is really beautiful. And now we're just gonna take some time to rest, and then we're gonna sleep. Tomorrow is another day.